Alright class, this example is with partnerships. We're going to make a balance sheet. So let's look at this. We have two owners, and on May 1st, 2016, Carpenter and Kennemond formed the wine shop. Two partners invested cash and other assets and liabilities with the following agreed upon values. So when two more partners contribute cash and non-cash assets, they actually have to agree to these figures. So we have Carpenter cash 11.6, inventory 23.6, equipment 75.6, accounts payable 13.4, and Kennemond furniture 236, and cash 35.600. Carpenter is 2/3 of the capital, and Kennemond is 1/3, but they will split profits and losses equally. Prepare a balance sheet for the partnership just after the assets and liabilities have been transferred. So here we go. Let's start our balance sheet. It's called the Wine Shop. Here's the name, balance sheet, May 1st, 2016. We can play around with that to make that look all pretty if you want. So maybe we'll do a merge and center here. Merge and center. Merge and center. Basically what I want you to I mean that's nice and pretty, but I want you guys just to get the concepts down. So we have assets. We have cash. How much cash do we have? Let's call cash 11.6 and cash of 35.6 gives us a total of 47.2. Let's format this. Next, we will have merchandise inventory. Let's just call this inventory. And that amount is 23.600. Format these cells. Oh. Next, we're going to have, this is a liability, so let's just get all the assets first. The next asset will be from the other partner. This will be furniture. Furniture is 23.600, the same as the inventory. We had, you know what, I missed equipment. So let's put equipment here. So let's add these assets up, and we get total assets of 170. So total assets. And again, this won't be the exact format as the book, but you know what? At least we can have some kind of format. So remember, the liabilities plus equity must equal this figure as well, so that's a good check figure. The liabilities, let's call this liabilities and owner's equity. So the liabilities, we had accounts payable, and let's call that 13.4. I got that from over here. Make sure we format these. So that is the only liability. The next is partner's equity, and we're going to have Carpenter and Kennemond. So right here, let's put a cell over here. Our total assets minus our liabilities. So out of this, total equity is 156,600, but we have to allocate it here. So Carpenter owns 2/3, Kennemond owns 1/3. So over here, we're going to take 156,600 times 2 divided by 3. That's 104,400. The same figure times 1 times 1 divided by 3 equals 52.5. total, I mean, you can check this right here to see if this equals 156, and it does. So our total, let's call this, so I don't have to type as much, total liabilities and owner's equity. Kind of want to maybe move that over here. Equals the combination of this plus this plus this equals our check 170. So basically the balance sheet in a partnership is the same as a proprietor. The only difference here is the partner's equity section. So we allocated 2/3 to Carpenter and 1/3 to the other partner. So let me know if you have any questions.